Hello, and welcome to Multidata. My name is Stephen, and today we will show you how to create evaluation templates in the MDPremium.net HRM module. To be able to perform assessments, job interviews, or exit interviews in MDPremium.net, you need so-called evaluation templates. These templates consist of a series of key performance indicators, or KPIs for short. These indicators help you measure the performance of your employees or potential applicants. To create evaluation templates, you first need a number of KPIs, which you can later add to your different templates. To create a new KPI, go to HRM Evaluation KPIs. Now click New. In the context field, select the kind of assessment for which the KPI is intended. You can choose between staff members, applicants, and staff members leaving the company. For now, let's select staff. When you are done, click Save. Once you have defined all the KPIs you need, you can start creating your individual evaluation template. To do so, go to HRM Evaluation Templates. To create a new evaluation template, click New. Enter a name for the template. In the context field, define for which kind of assessments the template shall be used. If you activate feedback here, the assessment will not be used to rate the employee's performance, but only for feedback purposes. You can use this option if, for instance, an employee only recently started working for the company and an actual assessment wouldn't be appropriate. Now, insert some KPIs, click New here, then click the name column and select the required entry. Specify the weighting. The sum of the weighting values for all KPIs in an evaluation template must be 100. If you want to remove a KPI from the evaluation template, select the relevant entry in the list and click Delete here. If you want to learn more about this topic, just visit our online documentation at www.multidata.at.